Hi, and welcome to this channel. You're watching the Readers Club Aviation News. This is Najmuddin. Let's start with an important headlines. As part of its inclusive travel experience, Akasa Air will accept pets on board. India is a very important market for air cargo business. IAG Cargo report. Airport Authority of India to deploy private security personnel at 60 airports for non-core duties. SpiceJet planes make an emergency landing in Hyderabad, and the DGCA launches an investigation. Domesticated dogs and cats will be permitted to travel with the customers in November on India's newest airline, Akasa Air, which is operation started from August 7. We can get the more detailed news from the reporter Ms. Manjushree, the aviation management student.
Akasa Air to allow pets on board as part of inclusive travel experience. India's newest airline, Akasa Air, which began operations on August 7, will allow domesticated dogs and cats on board, along with passengers from November. Its CEO Vinay Dube said that the airline is well capitalized and that the performance in the first 60 days has been satisfying. Domesticated dogs and cats can travel from November, and the booking in this will start from October 15. Co-founder, Chief Marketing and Experience Officer Belson and Dube said that the airline is on track as per plans and that the performance has been satisfying. The airline has placed an order for 72 Boeing 737 MAX planes. The airline will allow carrying of pets in cabin and cargo from November.
We have far more balanced demand in and out of India, which is great for air cargo because air cargo is normally unidirectional. We can get more detailed news from the reporter Mr. Narendran, BBA Aviation Management student.
India is a very important market for air cargo business IAG Cargo. IAG Cargo said it will be operating 112 weekly services between India and London by winter 2022. This will be a higher than 104 weekly services operated between the two destinations in the pre-pandemic period, that is January-February 2019. India has always been an important country. What we are seeing now is that the important market into India is growing significantly. We have far more balanced demand in and out of India, which is great for air cargo because air cargo is normally unidirectional. Europe's IAG Cargo, which represents the cargo business of 5 airlines, on Thursday said India is a very important market and it exports more business from the country. Part of IAG Group, IAG Cargo handles the air cargo business of British Airways, Iberia Cargo, Spanish carriers Vueling and Level, and Ireland's Aer Lingus Cargo.
Airport Authority of India also said it has appointed 581 security personnel from Directorate General Resettlement at airports for non-core posts. We can get more detailed news from the reporter Mr. Bhubalan, BBA Aviation Management student.
Airport Authority of India to develop private sector personnel at 60 security personnel at 60 airport from non-care duties. Airport Authority of India (AAI) said and added that the CISF personnel can be deployed at other airports, which will further. AAI also said it has appointed 581 security personnel from Direct General Resettlement (DGCA). Boeing has always supported the development of indigenous aerospace and defense of capitalized in India and has through the year invested in partnership with the Indian aerospace ecosystem in skilling, research and technology and manufacturing, results said.
The SpiceJet aircraft made an emergency landing, according to a DGC representative, after smoke was seen in the cockpit. The reporter Ms. Durganandini, BBA Aviation Management student, can provide more information to us.
SpiceJet is an Indian budget airline headquartered in Gurgaon, Haryana. It is the second largest airline in the country by number of domestic passengers carried, with a market share of 13.6% as of March 2019. SpiceJet plane makes emergency landing at Hyderabad Airport, DGCA orders probe. A Hyderabad airport officially said there were 86 passengers on board the Q400 aircraft VTSQB and that due to the emergency landing, as many as 9 flights were diverted on Wednesday night after the incidents at around 11 pm. A SpiceJet plane coming from Goa made an emergency landing at Hyderabad airport on Wednesday night after smoke was observed in the cabin, and aviation regulator DGCA is probing the incident according to officials. The plane landed safely and passengers landed through the emergency exit. One passenger sustained minor scratches on the feet while landing from the aircraft. A Hyderabad airport official said there were 86 passengers on board the Q400 aircraft VTSQB and that due to the emergency landing, as many as 9 flights were diverted on Wednesday night after the incidents at around 11 pm. SpiceJet has been facing operational and financial headwinds in recent times and it is already under enhanced surveillance. DGCA, the regulator, had also directed the airline to operate only 50% of its total flights till October 29. On Thursday, the DGCA official said the regulator is probing the incident. SpiceJet Q400 aircraft operating from Goa to Hyderabad landed safely and its destination on October 12 after smoke was observed in the cabin during descent. Passengers were safely landed.
I sincerely hope all the news are very useful to you. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget